What are you doing? I've told you not to come to my house again.
Why are you not picking up my phone?
Have you forgotten I'm a married man?
Okay, so why are you not calling me?
Okay. What do you want exactly? What do you want? Since you decide to keep answering my question on the phone, what do you want?
I need you to take up your responsibility.
Haven't I tried? Haven't I tried already? What else do you want me to do? Haven't I been trying?
Yeah, but I need you to take care of your child. Femi, you're not doing that.
What child?
I need 500k from the school fees. And I'm going to collect it 500.
So, 500 for primary school. Are you alright?
Okay, that's fine. I'm not leaving here until you solve this matter. And you're, in fact, you know what? Let me just increase my voice so your neighbors.
Are you sure you won't die here?
Mr. Femi,
God,